Hey, welcome back. This video is for about 230, week number 6. My name is Christian Montalvo. This video is part of the exercise number 3 of the lab report, and it's called utilizing the straight shortening cycle with and without by measuring maximum vertical jump height. So first, we're gonna need this measurement tape, and we're gonna need a clear tape. Once we have that, and we're gonna need something to measure the height. But I'll get to that after. So what we're gonna do today basically is that we're gonna jump. We're gonna do 2 different type of jumps. The first one is with using the stretching shortening cycle technique and without this technique. So we're gonna get comfortable first to be able to jump more freely. And I'm not gonna wear my glasses for this video. And you also need a pen and a notebook that you're gonna use to write your data that you're gonna put into the table number 4 from part 3 from the lab report. So the without stretching shortening cycle, which means that we're gonna get into squat position first with our hands in the back. We're gonna wait for 1-2 seconds and then we're gonna jump. That is without the stretching shortening cycle. And using this technique is basically doing the same thing but a high speed, which means we're not gonna wait for a second here. We're gonna go from here and jump right away. Okay. So first we need to establish our standing high. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna face the wall, and then we're gonna form this loop with the clear tape. We're gonna put it on our middle finger. When we have it here, we're gonna stand our arm like a natural extension of our arm, and we're gonna place it there. Then we're gonna measure that because that's gonna be our baseline for the jump. So we're gonna start from the floor all the way down. Then we're gonna measure all the way up here. Once we have that number, which is 231, we're gonna write it down. And this is our baseline right here. And we're gonna do the same thing what we did with the clear tape. We're gonna do another loop and put in our middle finger. And then we're gonna do it. We're gonna jump without the technique, without the stretching shortening cycle. So we're gonna face the wall, squat, wait for a second, and jump. And that's our mark right up there. So after that, we're gonna use this here to measure from our standing high to our maximum jump. All right, and then adding the standing high plus what after that. It's gonna be the result from the standing high to the jump. It's 34 centimeters. We're gonna write it down and we're gonna put it on this data on the table. And then we're gonna do this again. Move this out of the way. And we're gonna jump again, but using the technique. So it's gonna be one halt motion. 1, 2, 3. We have right there. Then we're gonna measure from our standing position to, all right, we're gonna remove this 2, with the result is 42. Then we're gonna do this again 2 more times, okay? 2 more times. Okay. We're gonna do it without the technique. 1, 2, jump. And then we're gonna do the second jump. So we measure both of them at the same time to save time. I think the tape failed, so we're gonna do it again without the technique. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we're gonna do it with the technique. The tape is still there, so we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3. Oops. These tapes are failing. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. Now we're gonna measure both of them. We have 30 for the first one. We got 30 for the first one. Whoops, and 40 for the next one. So see, as we're getting tired, our jump is less higher. So we're gonna do it one more time, twice, with the technique and without the technique to get the data that we need. Little sticky. There we go. And we better remove the tape from up there. Okay, let's do the jump again. 1 second, and put it in. Fail again. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the other one with the technique. Okay. Now we have to measure it. Okay, and we got 29 and 49 without and with. And with this, we're gonna put this information, this data into the table, and then we're gonna answer the questions. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.